I'm Katrina Cotton for InvestmentPitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Today's feature company is Telo Genomics, a biotech company pioneering the most comprehensive telomere platform in the industry. The company recently raised gross proceeds of approximately $2.8 million from an oversubscribed placement of approximately 11.3 million units, priced at 25 cents per unit. The shares are trading at 26 cents. Net proceeds will be used to fund its planned launch of its lead product for smoldering multiple myeloma, for ongoing collaborative studies with the Mayo Clinic in multiple myeloma, to achieve the ISO 15189 certification and the Certified Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendment accreditation, and for general working capital purposes. Smoldering multiple myeloma is an early sign that someone may develop multiple myeloma, a rare and deadly form of blood cancer that occurs when certain white blood cells mutate into abnormal cells. Current diagnosis for SMM is a simple blood test followed by an invasive bone marrow biopsy. Although there is a movement toward treating patients identified in the high-risk category to delay the onset of active multiple myeloma and its debilitating symptoms, this therapeutic approach has been limited by the lack of reliable, non-invasive prognostic test for high-risk SMM. By combining Telo's considerable expertise in quantitative analysis of 3D telomeres with molecular biology and artificial intelligence to recognize disease-associated genetic instability, Telo Genomics is developing simple and accurate products that improve day-to-day care for patients.
TeloView. Within our cells, safeguarding the chromosomes, are protective structures called telomeres, which maintain the genomic stability needed for healthy cell growth and vitality. Telomeric dysfunction leads to genomic instability, which can trigger disease, including cancer. Within a cell, the three-dimensional arrangement of telomeres, the cellular telomeric profile, is highly predictive of cell health and disease severity. The proprietary TeloView platform can detect the unique telomeric profiles for normal, pre-malignant, and diseased cells. To date, TeloView has been applied to 14 diseases.
Telo's powerful applications and prognostic solutions include liquid biopsies and related technologies in oncology and neurological diseases. Liquid biopsy is a rapidly growing field of significant interest to the medical community for being less invasive and more easily replicated than traditional diagnostic approaches. The company's lead application, Telo is being developed to provide important, actionable information to medical professionals in the treatment of multiple myeloma. The benefits of the company's proprietary technology have been substantiated in more than 150 peer-reviewed publications and in 25 clinical studies involving more than 3,000 patients with multiple cancers and Alzheimer's disease. On June 9th, the company presented the results of its latest study at the European Hematology Association 2023 annual meeting. This study, executed in conjunction with the Mayo Clinic, was conducted to confirm the utility of the TeloView technology to identify newly diagnosed multiple myeloma patients with a high risk to relapse within 1 year while receiving first-line therapy. In this 174-patient study, the TeloView assay was used to predict the outcome of patients in 2 cohorts. Cohort 1 exclusively included patients who relapsed within 1 year of initiating first-line therapy, with Cohort 2 comprised of patients that responded to therapy and had stable disease for over 3 years after starting therapy. The TeloView assay proved to be a powerful predictive tool in both groups, achieving combined accuracy of over 80%. Chris Weinberg, CEO, stated, "These important study results promise to expand the utility of TeloView and strongly position the company's hematology portfolio across the spectrum of these diseases. This presentation comes on the heels of our successful presentation at ASCO, where the final validation of Telo test for SMM patients was recently presented. These data confirm the broad applicability of the Telo platform and the expanded potential of our pipeline for multiple myeloma and other hematologic disorders. We look forward to the launch of our first product to clinicians in the U.S. later this year. The incidence of SMM in the U.S. is 250,000, and between 10 to 15% of these SMM patients transition to active multiple myeloma per year. The addressable market for prognostic testing and monitoring of SMM is estimated to be up to 500,000 tests per year. The company also has an active growing pipeline of products. For more information on this exciting telomere technology, please visit the company's website, telodx.com. Contact Chris Weinberg, CEO, at 678-429-5582 or by email at chris.weinberg@telodx.com. I'm Katrina Cotton for InvestmentPitch Media.